Hey guys, it's Daddy Mike back with another amazing product to show you. Are you tired of scooping your cat litter box like I am? Today I have a great product for you so you will never have to scoop your cat litter box again. It's the ZHMZ Model G1 Automatic Cat Litter Box. Has 65 liters of space with a large open door. So guys, let's take this out of the box and set it up and then see how my cat likes it. So guys, let's open this up and take it out of the box. Well, right here on top we have the user manual. I want to make sure we read that before using. We have a power cord. Has a really nice braided cord. And guys, here on top we have a roll of cat pan liners. Your litter mat. Nice. This looks like the base. Okay, first step to set up is to install the legs. There's a little groove here, just match it up and push it in. Okay, now we're just going to flip it over. And guys, also tucked inside is this part right here. And another part. And we have our waste tray. And guys, surprise, it comes with another roll of cat liner bags. And this is a back support that we need to install right now. We're going to just slide this into the slot. There we go. Open the latch on the top. Place the globe into the base. Ensure the rear knob is positioned in the groove on the top of the back support. So guys, this part goes in the back where the back latch support is. There we go. Now we're going to close the latch. So guys, now we need to assemble our bonnet. We're going to just snap this together like this. On the ends it's marked A and this side is B. Go to line up the A and B sides. This side says B, that side says A. And it just kind of fits in like that, and it has magnets that holds it into place. Okay guys, now we're going to put our cat pan liner into the waste receptacle. Just kind of tuck it around the edges. And there's two loops here. We just pull the string, put them under the loops. Kind of like that. Now we're just going to slide this underneath the little holder. Just slide the drawer in. Now we just need to add cat litter. And it says do not fill above the max line. And guys, also you want to make sure you put the screen in. The screen right here. It has tabs that fit in on each side. So guys, now we're going to add cat litter. Just pour it in the top. Okay, now we have our litter in. We're going to put our bonnet back on the top. Now we're going to plug in our power cord. The plug plugs in the rear on the left side here. Okay, we see the light is flashing. That means we need to connect to the Wi-Fi to use the app. After powering on the device, press and hold the clean button for 3 seconds to reset the weighing. It is the button that looks like a brush. Hold that in for 3 seconds. Okay, and beeps. It's going to begin the cleaning process. See the safety features? It automatically stops when my cat gets inside when she's not supposed to. Kitty, not supposed to be in there. When I pull her out, then it will automatically start back up. So this has great safety features. Okay, now it's done with the self-cleaning mode. My cat can't wait to use it. We have another cat in line. I think she's just going to lay down in it. Okay guys, so it uses the Smart Life app, which I already have on my phone, so this will be quick and easy to install. So just tap the plus in the top right to add a device. Go to add device. It's going to search. One thing I didn't do is press and hold the Wi-Fi button for 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Now we're entering pairing mode. The app is searching for a device. There we go. It found the device. Now I'm going to tap it. Okay, it's been added successfully. We press done. Okay, there we go, guys. We can control this automatic cat litter box with the app anytime, anywhere, and we can track the cat's habits and everything. So right now it shows that it is cleaning. It shows the litter is full. You have a litter reset. Also, you have settings. You can adjust your different settings here. You can also add your pet information. And if you have small kittens, you will need to control this manually. So you would want to turn on the kitten mode. Okay, kitty, now it's ready to be used. The litter box is going to sense that there's weight inside. And then after she's safely out, it will start cleaning it. So guys, the ZHMZ self-cleaning litter box is amazing. My cats absolutely love it. They could hardly wait to get in it. Has great safety features, as you've seen. When my cat got in it when she's not supposed to, it will stop running and then will start again when the cat exits. It waits a few minutes till after your cat gets out, and then it starts cleaning. This is great for cats, 2.5 pounds up to 25 pounds. It's 21 inches in length, 20 inches width, and 26 inches in height, and it weighs about 33 pounds. It has dual sensors, 4 weight sensors, and a remote alert system to keep your cats safe. And it has a 100% sealed waste drawer to keep the odors out and keep your house smelling fresh. So guys, I highly recommend the ZHMZ Model G1 automatic self-cleaning litter box. So please check it out.